Welcome to Circuits and Devices Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn how the experiment number 11, Reciprocity Theorem, can be performed using Virtual Lab. So for that, we have to go to the Google and type Virtual Lab in the search bar and then select the Electronics and Communication branch, and in that you have to select the Analog Signals Network and Measurement Lab as I have shown in the previous videos. So you have to do the same procedure and select this lab. So once you select this lab, you will be shown some list of experiments. So select that. So here you have to select the verification of reciprocity theorem to do this experiment. So click to that. So once you click to that, you will be shown the theory of reciprocity theorem. So here reciprocity theorem means it states that in any linear bilateral network, if a source of EMF E in any branch produces a current I in any other branch, then the same EMF E acting in second branch would produce the same current I in the first branch. So we have to prove this reciprocity theorem. So then you can click the procedure to know the step-by-step procedure to be followed for performing this experiment. So this is your circuit diagram of reciprocity theorem. You can read it once, then go to top and you can start to perform the experiment by clicking the simulator button. So once you select the simulator button, you can select that click here to perform the experiment. So select that. So here you will be shown the verification of reciprocity theorem. So this is your circuit diagram, which consists of DP/DT switch, which is double pole double throw switch S1 and S2, and this is your ammeter reading A1, this is current value, and this is your current value A2, and inductor L1, and this is your resistance R1, R2 and R3, and this is your capacitor C1. So now keep the inductance, capacitance and all the resistance close to the respective maximum value. Now we have to set the value of R1, R2 and R3, and you can also vary the voltage values V1 and V2. So in case 1, apply the supply voltage through the terminal AA. So here this is the terminal A and this is the next terminal A. You have to apply the supply voltage through this terminal and read the current from the ammeter A1. So to do this, first select the case 1 tab. So we have selected the case 1 tab here, and then select the switches S1 to power and S2 to short. So now I am going to select the S1 to power and S2 to short. Is done. Then switch on the circuit main supply. So this is your circuit supply, you have to switch on. So by clicking this button, now I have switched on the circuit. The values are shown in the circuit. So then you have to simulate the circuit. For that you have to click the simulate button. You will be shown the ammeter reading A1 and ratio reading also calculated by the use of this formula. So the next case, in order to perform the next case, you have to select the case 2. So click this case 2 button and then apply the supply voltage through the terminal CC. So here this is your terminal CC. So now you have to apply the voltage through this terminal CC and read the current from the ammeter A2. So to do this, you have to select the case 2 tab, then select the switch S1 to short and S2 to power. So now I am selecting S1 to short and S2 to power. And then next switch on the circuit. After switching on, you can select the simulate button. So once you click this button, you can get the ammeter reading A2. You can note down this reading. So verify the ratio of voltage and current for both the cases are same. So in case 1 and case 2, you can see the same value 582.745.105.733 is shown for case 1 and in case 2 also. You can verify that by clicking the case 1 tab. So in case 1 and case 2 will be shown the same readings. So the ratio value is same 582 in case 1 also. In case 2 also you can see the same value 582. Now you have to fill this reading in the observation table by clicking this fill data to the table. So once you click, you can observe the observation table is updated. So click the close button and you can see the observation table by scrolling down. The value of ratio V by I is same for case 1 and case 2. So both the values are 582.745. Here also we are having the same value. So you can also do this experiment by varying the values to some other readings so that the next observation reading can also be entered in the observation table by doing the same procedure. So you can also click here to print the output and keep it for your reference. Thanks for watching.